Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to track achievement on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone. And to track achievements on Instagram, we need to switch from personal account to professional account. If you are in personal mode now, I recommend you to switch to professional account. And to switch to professional account, you need to go to your setting and activity on Instagram. You can go to your profile first, and then you can click on these three lines on the top right, and you can scroll down until you find the account type and tools. Wait, keep scrolling down to get this option, account type and tools. Okay, then here we can choose switch to professional account. All right, and I'm just going to click on next. Okay, and then you can select the category. You can choose what the best describe you. And for me, I'm just going to choose video creator and click on switch to professional account. And okay, here you can choose the type of the professional you are. You can either choose creator or business. I'm going to select creator and click on next. Okay, and you can skip this one if you don't want to continue now. I'm just going to click on not now, and I'm going to skip this tab as well. I'm going to set up my professional account later. Okay, just click on this X button to close it. Okay, and after we have switched to professional account, we will get professional dashboard on our Instagram profile. We can click on this professional dashboard to get our achievements on Instagram. Tap on that. Okay, and here you will be able to get information about the views you got on Instagram, interaction, total followers you got, and also content you shared. Okay, and for me, I'm going to see my achievements in gaining followers. So we can go to the total followers here, and this is my followers in the last 30 days, and you can filter it if you want. Okay, and then I'm going to see my achievements in gaining views. So I'm going to go to the views. Okay, and this are the views I got from the followers and non-followers, and this is my top content. Okay, and we will get information about profile activity and also profile visits. Okay guys, and that's all the way to track achievements on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.